Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account that will receive the Game Pass. Once done, make sure your Xbox is online and updated so the redeem flow appears correctly. Next, reveal the 25-character code on the card. Don't share it. Then, navigate to the Microsoft Store on your console or press the Xbox button and choose Store. This gets you to the redeem dialog quickly. You do this first to link the subscription immediately to your profile. Once in Redeem, you type the 25-character code exactly as shown. The interface often inserts dashes for you, so focus on letters and numbers. Make sure the account shown is the one you want to charge or link. This avoids transferring to the wrong profile. After entering the code, the console shows what you're redeeming, length, included perks, and billing changes. Confirm the purchase to apply the Game Pass, and wait for the success confirmation so you know it linked correctly to your Xbox. After confirmation, go to Settings Account Subscriptions to verify the Game Pass appears and the expiry date is correct. This confirms activation. If the code fails, first recheck the characters and the card's activation date, then ensure your account region matches the card's region. Mismatches often block redemption. If issues continue, try redeeming at Xbox.com or contact Xbox support with the card details. They can check activation on.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.